Here we have a 2010 registered 5-door Vauxhall Zafira design with a 1.9-litre automatic transmission diesel engine. The car is finished in sovereign silver. Key features include 1 private owner, air conditioning, half Morocana trim, 17-inch alloys, CD player, electric windows and mirrors, front armrest, privacy glass, automatic lighting control, rain-sensitive wipers, self-dimming interior mirror, ABS and tinted windows. This Vauxhall Zafira has been through our full and extensive service and preparation process to ensure it's in perfect condition. Reserve this car online today for 48 hours for an no obligation, fully refundable £100.